Today, I'm sharing a simple healthy drinks recipe, Barley Ginger Drinks. Barley helps to reduce body heatiness and ginger helps to release bloating. Combine these two ingredients together for 2-in-1 benefit. This recipe serves 8 to 10 glasses. The ingredients needed are 200 grams of pearl barley, 135 grams of cane rock sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of ginger slices, 9 pieces of pandan leaf, 500 ml of hot water, and 4 liters of water. For the pandan leaves, I have folded them into small pieces so that it's easier to fit in the pot. Let me show you how to fold this. Fold up the end part of the leaf into 3/4 in size. Fold in again and tie it to make a knot like this. I will show another one really quick. Alright, the preparations are done. Let's soak the barley. Put all the barley in a bigger bowl. Put in the water and stir to wash it. Drain off the water and repeat with the second wash. Alright, barley is washed. Next, pour hot water over it and let it soak for 20 minutes. While waiting for barley to soak, boil the water and the other ingredients. Once barley is ready, the water should come to a roaring boil. Put all the ginger in the pot, salt, cane rock sugar, pandan leaves, and 4 liters of water. Switch on the heat, cover the pot and bring it to boil. After 20 minutes, the barley has been soaked enough. Drain out this water. Alright, just on time. The water in the pot is boiling vigorously. Put in all the barley. And give it a stir. Cover the pot while tilting it a little to allow the steam to escape, to prevent the overflow of the barley water when it is boiling vigorously. Set the time for 1 hour. Check on the barley from time to time. Alright, 1 more minute to go. The barley is cooked and very soft, with the fragrance of pandan leaves. See, the water has turned slightly thicker and cloudy in color. This is the color of barley and it's very concentrated. The drinks look so lovely. What we need is just 1 hour of boiling to extract the goodness and essence of the barley. Oh wow, the time is up. Remove all pandan leaves as we won't be consuming it. This can be served as a hot, warm or cold drinks with ice. Leave it in the pot to allow it to cool down slightly before serving. After about 15 minutes, the drink has cooled down a little and now we can serve. Cheers! Oh wow, nice and warm. The barley with the lovely fragrance of pandan and a bit of heat from the ginger. So lovely. Drink it for its refreshing taste or for its health benefits to reduce body heat and bloating. Perfect. The balance can be kept in the fridge for a couple of days. Take it out of the fridge, add a bit of hot water, and you have a nice warm barley ginger drinks. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.